solids, liquids, gases. You all know that water exists in three forms. It is ice in solid form, water in liquid form, and steam in gaseous form. Let us now understand what we mean by the terms solid, liquid, and gas. Let us begin with solids and liquids. Consider lemonade and lemon as examples. Lemonade takes the shape of the container in which it was poured. It had no shape of its own. Lemonade is made from lemon. Now, when you put lemon into any container, you cannot pour it. Also, the lemon stays as it is in the container. It does not change its shape according to the shape of the container. Thus, we say anything that has a fixed shape, size, and cannot flow is called a solid. And anything that does not have a fixed shape, can be poured easily, and can flow is a liquid. Next, liquids and gases. Pour a cup of water on the floor. It will spread, but it will not cover the entire floor or room. But if the gas stove is not switched off properly, the gas from the pipe or cylinder will quickly spread all over the room. Liquids will always flow downwards or sideways. Gas will flow in every direction, upwards, downwards, and sideways too. That is why we say that gas spreads. It fills all available space. Most gases cannot be seen, but at times can be smelt. Like liquids, gas too has no shape. It takes the shape of the container it is filled in. Now, let us see how matter changes from one state to another. Ice melts on heating and turns into water. Water, when heated, forms water vapor. Water vapor condenses on cooling to turn back into water. When this water freezes on further cooling, it turns into ice. Now, let us see what happens when you light a candle. The wax near the flame starts melting and begins to flow down. Do you know why? Candle is made of wax, and wax is a solid in its natural state. A candle just kept outside will not melt unless lit. Now, look at this ice cream. It is made out of milk, which is a liquid in its natural state. It is frozen milk. That is why, if an ice cream is left outside, it will melt to become milk again. But it will never evaporate. Thus, matter normally does not change its state on its own unless some external pressure or force is applied or its temperature is changed.